Valentine's Day is coming and you have no idea for a quilling card? No problem. Just watch this video and you will also learn which special quilling technique I used to make this card. For this quilling card I'm using a thick cardboard. The measurements are on the screen. Search a simple heart drawing from the internet, scale it to the size of your card and print it out. You can also draw your own heart design on an extra sheet of paper. And then put the heart template on the top of your cardboard and secure its position with tape. Now you can use an embossing tool and trace the outline of the heart. Don't use too much pressure with an embossing tool, it can damage your cardboard. Just trace the outline gently. When you're done, remove the template from the cardboard and the outlines of the heart should be visible on your cardboard. Now let's go on with a special quilling technique. I'm using 6mm paper strips from 300 GSM paper. The shadow effect from the paper strips on the quilling card only works when you paint one side of the paper strip into another color. I'm using a pink highlighter for this. It is important to paint many layers with the highlighter to get a smooth color on the whole surface of the paper strip. If you don't apply many layers, there will be a visible difference in the color. And this is what I mean. Pay attention on this detail and your paper strip will look like this at the end. Fold the paper strip on one end like I do in the video. But be careful, the paper strips must be aligned. And then make another folding. Now you can cut off the excess paper strip. But don't cut it right on the edge of the folding. You need a little bit of space. Apply glue on the edge of the paper strip and glue both ends together. In this way you will get a triangle. Pay attention. The colored side of the paper strip must be inside of the triangle. That's it. And now you have to make a lot of them in different sizes. Make smaller ones and bigger ones. Now let's prepare the glue. There are so many little pieces which have to attach on a card. That's why I prefer some object which I can put my glue on. In this case I'm using a jar lid. But before you dip your quillings into the glue puddle, smear it flat. And make sure that the depth of your glue puddle is very shallow. Now it's time to attach all the little pieces on the card. Start to glue your quilling pieces on the outline of the heart. Make sure your quilling pieces are aligned on it and try to twist some of the triangles. When you're done with the outline, you can start to fill the inside of the heart. It's like a puzzle game, but you never know which quilling piece you have to use. So this is the quilling heart. If you look on it from different angles, you will see the pink color. But if you look straight on it, you will see the shadow of the pink color on the background. I love this effect. But to be honest, the card was a little bit empty for me. That's why I decided to add more quilling pieces on it. I'm adding some scrolls on paper strips like a wave behind the heart. And I decided to paint them again. But this time I'm painting the edge of the paper strips. What do you think of this painting technique? Let me know it in the comments. The quilling card was still empty for me, and that's why I decided to cover the whole card with triangles. This time the inside of the triangles is not painted. I hope you learned something new in this video. And if you did, don't forget to like it. It was a lot of fun to make this card. For me, it looks like a cracked mirror with a heart inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. But before you leave, the next video could be interesting for you. Especially if you want to know how to make these paper roses, cause there's a step-by-step tutorial. Just click the video right here. Thank you for watching.